How do black holes work? And what happens if a person falls into them? November 7th, 2023. Astronomers discovered the oldest black hole of all known at the moment. The celestial body appeared 470 million years after the Big Bang, which is believed to have occurred 13.7 billion years ago. There is no precise definition of the term black hole in physics. Scientists have different interpretations of this concept, but agree that it can be called an area of space with a very strong gravitational pull. This means that any objects and phenomena that fall into a black hole cannot return back. Every black hole has a boundary called the event horizon. Black holes attract matter to them, and it forms an accretion disk around them, a giant structure that rotates rapidly and glows due to the interaction of friction and gravity. Such rotating black holes are called spheroidal. But there are other holes that cannot rotate. They are called spherical. Why are black holes so called? These cosmic objects got their name not because of their color, but because of a special property. Black holes can only absorb radiation. These celestial bodies cannot be seen. Light does not come from them, so they are conventionally called black. The existence of black holes can only be known if there is some matter around them, with which they interact, for example, gas or a neighboring star. Scientists suggest that the opposites of black holes, white holes, also exist in space. If a black hole is a place from which nothing comes back, then a white hole is a place where nothing goes. But to date, the existence of such objects has not been proven. So how do scientists find black holes in space? To find confirmation of the existence of black holes, scientists also studied quasars, active nuclei of galaxies at the initial stage of development, emitting bright light. In the course of observations, they found that inside these objects are supermassive black holes. According to astrophysicist Sergei Popov, to date, this is the clearest way to search for black holes, and new mysterious celestial bodies are increasingly discovered in this way. Detect these celestial bodies in space can be detected if you fix the gravitational wave burst, which occurs at the merger of two black holes. And also, these objects strongly distort the space around them or can increase the brilliance of the star, and unwittingly signal astrophysicists. How do black holes appear and disappear? Scientists distinguish several reasons for the formation of black holes. According to one of them, these celestial bodies appear due to the compression of a very massive star under the influence of gravitational forces. According to the second hypothesis, collapses under its own weight is not a separate star, but part of the galaxy. Also, according to physicists, these celestial bodies could appear after the Big Bang because of the expansion of the universe. Such objects are also called primary black holes. Finally, the physical phenomena could have arisen in high-energy nuclear reactions. Such reactions are used to study particles in hadron colliders. Whether black holes disappear or not is not known for sure. It is hypothesized that black holes eventually lose their mass and simply vaporize. But according to the classical theory of gravity, these celestial bodies are indestructible objects. If everything falls into black holes, does that mean they have a bottom? There is no bottom to a black hole. A celestial body is said to be infinite. In a black hole do not work our usual concepts of space and time, and do not operate known laws of physics. But some experts suggest that in the celestial body, there is an area where space matter shrinks to a small point, and the force of gravity there can change. What happens if a person falls into a black hole? Some scientists believe that when falling into a black hole, an astronaut will face imminent death. A person can be killed by radiation. He can burn up in the accretion disk gas clouds or stretch vertically and horizontally due to the strongest gravitational pressure. In 2021, a group of astrophysicists from the United States called the conditions under which a person can relatively safely cross the event horizon of a black hole. Around it should not be an accretion disk and it must be supermassive. But to put such an experiment is impossible. The nearest black hole is at a distance of 1,600 light-years from Earth. To get out of it is impossible, as well as to transmit from there any information. Why study black holes at all? Black holes can pose a very real danger to the Earth. The gravity of a celestial body can break the orbit of a planet and move it closer to the Sun or further away from it and collide with another planet. However, the Earth is too far from the black holes known to scientists, so astrophysicists continue to study these cosmic objects, to observe the known and look for new ones. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about space.